the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Grace, and if you're new here, make sure you click the red subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, I will be using the new Mane and Tail Biotin Infused Repair and Replenish hair products. This video is sponsored by Mane and Tail, but as you guys always know, I give my honest thoughts and opinions. So as you guys can see, my hair is extremely tangled, so I thought this was a perfect way to put the shampoo and conditioner to the test. They also have a Detangler Extreme, but I'm going to show you that later in this video. So first, I'm going in with the Mane and Tail Biotin Infused Repair and Replenish Shampoo. And this is a shampoo which will detangle your hair, quench and soften it. And this shampoo is sulfate and paraben free. All these products are sulfate and paraben free. And it is specifically designed for natural and curly hair. And I was so surprised how it was thick but not that thick. It was very creamy and it had some nice slimy consistency. That is why I was smiling, because I know this shampoo is gonna detangle my hair amazing. But I did not detangle my hair with this shampoo just because I really wanted to put the conditioner to the test. So this shampoo has a coconut and essential oil blend for healthy hair and skin. It has a moisturizing base for dry scalp and hair, a unique biotin protein blend to strengthen hair, helping prevent split ends and frizz. And this shampoo is also color safe, helping with your color vibrancy. So I was so surprised how much this shampoo actually suds up for it being sulfate free, and it left my curls really hydrated, and also my scalp was very clean even with only one wash. So now I'm going in with the Mane and Tail Biotin Infused Repair and Replenish Conditioner. These products are vegan and they also contain argan oil and rice protein. Rice protein will strengthen and repair your hair. I also forgot to mention that these products smell absolutely amazing. Now the conditioner definitely stood out for me because it gave my hair so much slip and it defined my curls so well. And this conditioner contains coconut oil, olive oil, biotin, hydrolyzed rice protein, and many more very good ingredients. It was very easy to detangle my hair with this conditioner. As you guys will see, the brush just slides through, and this is a lightweight conditioner but also still very moisturizing. It made my hair very soft and shiny, and as you guys can see the definition, I was in love. As you guys know, I'm a definition freak, so yeah. And this also helps decrease flaking and itchy scalp, and also nourishes your hair and scalp without causing buildup. These products are available in 11-ounce bottles and 15.2-ounce bottles. Mine was the 15.2-ounce bottles, and I was surprised that the products are actually so affordable for such a big bottle. So as you guys can see, I'm definitely in love with what this conditioner did for my hair. If I had to choose out of the 3 products, this conditioner is definitely my favorite. And yeah, look how juicy my curls are. This conditioner really gave my hair life and really moisturized my hair. So now I'm just going to rinse off the conditioner, and my hair felt super silky and moisturized, as you guys can see. And it had an amazing amount of shine. I was definitely shocked with the results. If I only had to choose one product out of this whole line, I would definitely go for the conditioner. As you guys can see, my hair is super shiny and my hand just like glides through my hair. As you guys will see, it just glides through my hair. It's amazing. So now I'm going in with the Mane and Tail Biotin Infused Detangler Extreme, and this is in a spray form which is 3.4 fluid ounce, and this will strengthen and condition your hair and also take away the knots and tangles. And this is also for maximum curl definition. And as you guys can see, this was my ultimate favorite smell. I was like, wow, this is really good. So I sprayed it onto my hair as a base, and this felt really nice on my hair. It gave my hair the perfect base to style. And since this conditioner says that you can use it as a leave-in, I went ahead and used it after the Detangler Extreme, and this combination, y'all, I'm telling you, this combination is the best. Like, get these two products if you only want to get two products out of the line. Get these two products. This combination is bomb. Like, you can use the conditioner as a conditioner, also as a leave-in. Now, this conditioner to me was kind of like a leave-in styler, but also a conditioner, because it's very moisturizing, but it defines my curls really, really well. And it also has like styling effects. I don't know what it is, but this conditioner was really good. So I just continued the process all over my hair and making sure every strand is coated. So the first step is using the Detangler Extreme and then going in with the conditioner. Now, the Detangler Extreme is a solution that will help tame hard to comb hair, plus it has curl defining benefits to tighten, smooth, and define curly hair. It helps eliminate tangles and the appearance of dry split ends while adding additional conditioning benefits, which I definitely felt from this spray. I never really use sprays in the shower because they glide, but I didn't mind using this spray because it was a small bottle and was easy to handle. And I also use this to refresh my hair, and yeah, this one is a very good one. So these are my results. I just quickly did my edges. This is the next day. Guys, the results speak for itself. This combination, the spray and the conditioner, it just left my hair bouncy, soft, voluminous, defined. I really love it. It gave my hair some nice ringlets, but also defined almost every single strand of my hair. I was so in love. I was feeling myself. I really love these results. Let me guys know if you want to try these products. I will have the link in the description box where you can purchase these products. Please let me know down below if you have ever tried this new line. This is the Repair and Replenish line. And also if you have ever tried other Mane and Tail products and what you think of their products. I have definitely tried other lines from them and I definitely love it. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell beside it so you'll be notified whenever I post a new upload. And also subscribe to the Mane and Tail YouTube channel. I will place the YouTube channel in the description box down below. Bye!